Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here. And in today's video, the topic is, what are you waiting for? It's not going to get better on its own. So I wanted to tell you a story about two different clients. One client called me with an injury case and told me the following story. They got injured. They'd never had an injury case before. They didn't want to make a big deal about it. They were in a lot of pain. They delayed going to the doctor a little while, but the pain wasn't going away. In fact, it was getting worse. So they finally went to urgent care. They gave them some prescription pain medicine, um, followed up with the family doctor. Family doctor sent them to therapy. And so this person was calling the insurance company of the car that caused the crash. It was a rear ender. And the story of what this insurance company did to this person was legendary. It was couldn't get him on the phone, get him on the phone. The claim got transferred 4 times. So every time the client reached an adjuster, they said, "Oh, I don't have the claim anymore. It's so and so at extension, blah blah blah." 3 more phone messages. Finally, get that person. "Oh no, it's been transferred to this other person." They finally get a home for the claim, and anytime the client calls them to inquire about whether they're going to cover the medical bills, whether they're going to repair the car, what they should do about the car, things like that, uh, it's always like, "Well, send me this." So the client sends them the police report. "Okay, well, send me your insurance card." No, so they send them the insurance card. "Okay, well, I need your report from your family doctor." Like thing after thing after thing after thing. Comply with everything. They transferred the case to another adjuster who claims not to have received any of that. Then there was a long period of time where they never even would call the person back. Well, that's when they called me, and it is your classic move where, they give you the runaround. Sometimes they just tell you no, and in fact, that's kind of a favor. But they know that the older your case is, the longer it's been pending, the more communication an injured person has had with the insurance company. It makes a personal injury lawyer nervous. What did you say? Did they take a recorded statement? What papers have you signed? You know, uh, Lawyers, when they take a case, they're taking a risk too. They're advancing their own money in case costs, and they're also spending their time. Um, if a lawyer's office can handle, let's say, 100 cases at a time, if your case is one of those 100 cases, it means the lawyer can't pick a different case to work on, right? So there's only so many hours a day, and insurance companies know it. They also know that if there are problems with the medical or something like that, a lawyer is less inclined to help you the older the case is. The earlier the case is, the better. So that's example one of why talking to an injury lawyer right after a crash is a really good idea. I know a lot of people don't like to do it, they don't like the idea of doing it, but it's really your best shot at winning a case, okay? Another example from another guy I talked to, this guy had a work injury. Had the work injury, been working there for 20 years, had a great relationship with the boss and the ladies in the office and his coworkers, has a completely legitimate accident witnessed by his coworkers. So it's a completely legitimate on the job injury, and everything changes in the office. The boss won't talk to him. When the boss calls him, it's rude. The girls in the office won't look him in the eye, won't talk to him. Even his coworkers are giving him the cold shoulder. And, then they put him in touch with the workers' comp insurance claim adjuster. They assign a nurse case manager to the case. The nurse case manager is trying to go in to tell his treating doctor what he should and should not prescribe. Tried to talk his doctor out of getting him an MRI for his shoulder. All of this is crap. None of it should be happening. And, that's when the guy called me and said, "Hey, can you represent me? I think something fishy is going on here." Look, when you think something is fishy is going on in a work case, or in a car crash or any kind of case, if you're starting to feel like you're getting treated like a second class citizen, getting treated different, you feel like they're manipulating you or painting you into a corner, they probably are. And it's better for you to consult with an injury lawyer before that happens, because imagine you're playing a chess match with somebody and you're not very good at chess, but they play chess every day of their life, because that's what it's like when you're dealing with the insurance company yourself. You do a bunch of moves. When would it be best for you to hire a chess master of your own to take over the game for you? Well, the earlier in the game, the better your guy, your chess master, has to win the game for you. But if you get into a point where you've lost a lot of your chess pieces and they're about to put you in check or checkmate, in other words, they're about to win the game, and you call in a chess master, the chess master is going to have to really look and analyze the board. And past a certain point, they're going to say, you're in a bad spot, right? And no one wants you to be in a bad spot. You know, you hire an injury lawyer early on in the process so that they can set up the case, put the case together for you to make it as strong, as clean, and as valuable for you as possible. So the topic of the video today is, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? It is not going to get better. If you think some BS is going on and you're getting painted into a corner or manipulated or treated like crap, you need a good lawyer who knows the law, isn't afraid to fight, knows how to put a case together to win it, and to get you max money. So, I know it's self-serving for a personal injury lawyer to say hire a lawyer right away, but I'm telling you, I talk to people, at least one or two people a week, who are like, oh, well, we're already in settlement position and I'm not happy with my lawyer, and the insurance company did this and this and my lawyer didn't do anything about it. Well, I mean, in fact, I just talked to a guy last week whose case was set for trial and he's in financial distress. And I told him, look, I don't agree with what your lawyer did. You don't agree with what your lawyer did. But I also told him, like, your lawyer has the file. I don't have the file. I'm not going to criticize your lawyer. I know that you're unhappy, but you're now at a point in the case where all of the chess pieces have been moved. And there's a couple of chess pieces I can move, but I haven't seen the game board. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not going to, I'm not one of these lawyers who BSs people. I tell it to them straight, and sometimes I know when I'm talking to somebody who just wants yes, yes, yes. They just want positive, happy news, right? Well, that's not the way life works sometimes. I'd rather be honest with people and have that reputation than having the reputation of a BS artist who isn't quite trustworthy. You know what I'm saying? So, anyway, if you or a loved one or anyone you know has been involved in an accident or an injury, whether it's a car accident, work accident, whatever it is, talking to a lawyer is a good idea. 3 guesses who I think you should talk to. Got it in one, right? So I offer a free consultation. You can call anytime, day or night. That phone number is 312-500-4500, completely free to talk to me and get information on your case. 312-500-4500. Sometimes you're not ready to talk to a lawyer. Sometimes you want information sort of tailored to your situation, but you don't want to talk to a lawyer. Maybe you don't want to. Maybe you're nervous to. Maybe you just want killer information tailored to your situation, but with no obligation, for free, no lawyer to talk to. I got you covered. I built 2 really good tools. I'm getting a ton of positive feedback, tons of messages and emails and phone calls from people thanking me for building these tools and putting them on my website for free. There's 2 of them, links in the description to access them. One is called the Case Cash Calculator, tells you what your case might be worth. And the best part of it, it's free. You answer 7 multiple choice questions, really quick and easy and fast, gives you an idea what your case might be worth. The other one is called the Good Case Calculator. Same deal, super fast. It's a separate tool with totally different questions, but it's just as fast and easy to use. Most people are done with it in 10 seconds, 15 seconds. And then you have customized information about whether your case might be good or whether it might have a really big problem. Okay? And in fact, that's one of the main reasons why you hire a lawyer. If there's an issue in your case, 9 out of 10 times a really good injury lawyer with experience who cares about his cases and clients can fix it. So the Good Case Calculator, link in the description, same thing, free. Um, if you enjoy my videos, please like this video and subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notified when I release a video. Right now I'm releasing 2 videos a week. And if you wouldn't mind, if the information in this video helps you, or if you're a current or former client or somebody who called for a consultation and you appreciated the help I gave, if you wouldn't mind doing me a little favor, it would be invaluable to me and I'd really appreciate it. All you need to do is I'm going to leave a link in the description and you can leave me a 5-star review on Google. I'd really appreciate it. You literally just go to that website on your phone, tablet, or computer. Takes you right to the page, click 5 stars, say a kind word, hit submit. Literally takes you 5 or 10 seconds. Huge favor for me, and it helps me get the word out to injured people, and it helps me stay in business as a lawyer because people really rely on those Google ads. So anyway, hope you and the family are doing well. Very much appreciate you watching my videos. If you have a topic for video you'd like me to shoot, leave it in the comments below and I will get to it sooner or later. Happy to answer your questions. And once again, if you know anyone or can refer an injury case to me, I'd really appreciate it. 312 500 4500. So this is Scott DeSalvo signing off. Have a great day. Take care.